What's up, guys? So before we get started, I'm gonna place a trade. Pop. So I just bought step in this. Now let's see the result before I will teach you this beautiful strategy that is gonna make you so much money this year. Trust me, guys. Let's go. So guys, this strategy is actually for step in this and it works like wonder beautifully well. So currently I just placed the trade. I'm gonna wait and come back to let you see the result of the strategy. I'm so confident in it because I've tested it multiple times and I've seen how wonderful this strategy is. So I had to share it with you guys. I don't hide the updates from you. I just want you to also make money as well. So if you're new to dairy, beautiful guys, you can see massively in profit, $4 profit using the minimum lot size on a step index. So we took a buy from there and then boom, market fired all the way up. So you see the reason why I bought. I'm gonna explain that to you right now. And also, if you're new to this Deriv, make sure you click on the link at the description of this video to create an account with Deriv and start making money. They offer synthetic indices which are open for 24 hours, 24/7 to offer synthetic indices like step index, crash and boom, volatility index. Click on the link at the description of this video to create an account and also join our Telegram group with the link on the description. So let's get started on how to trade it. So yeah, guys, I've discovered something on this strategy. One, it works on 1 minute time frame and also on 5-minute time frame. And then secondly, another point to know is that I discovered that this strategy works more on buying step index. So if you notice, I hardly sell it. I hardly sell step index with it. I mostly buy because I discovered that it is beautiful on buying. It works better on buying. Now see, these are my indicators. Just check them out. The first indicator is the moving average, which I set on. Okay, this is what you need to do first. First, take the index flow index, the money flow index. You pick that indicator, go to your search bar. Let's do this together. Money flow index. Just go to your search bar. Let's delete this. So you go to your indicator window 1 and then search money flow index. So this is money flow index. This settings period 14. Volume should be tick levels 2080, the time frame, and then you click done. This is the money flow index, the blue one. And the other indicator is the moving average, which is on period 10. Method is simple: shift 0, apply to close, then you click done. Beautifully, your chart is gonna look like this. But I advise first take the index flow, the money flow index indicator, this one, so that you will be able to have an indicator window 1. So once your chart is like this, you have the indicator on your chart like this. The next thing you want to do is to look out for this red moving average to cross below this blue money flow index. You want to see that the money flow index has been crossed to the downside, and then the money will definitely flow to your side. Once you see it has crossed like this, what do? You buy, and behold, money will flow to your side, just like what I did on right there, and then you saw how we made some money. So beautifully, where this is it crossed below like this, right? And then what you do here, you buy, and then market start pushing up. So the moment you see an intersection like this, please run out from the trade. Or no, that's even too late. The moment you see that this guy is going upwards, that is to this overbought level here, please close. The moment you see it enter the overbought level, please close. And then the second reason you should take profit is the moment you see an intersection, because for example, this guy did not reach this overbought level before it reversed, but an intersection happened, you close. So guys, let me just let you know, this is the first indicator that I've been using, that I've seen that it doesn't take time before it give its signals. For example, look at this. It crossed below here. And look at it instantly at the bottom. That's where it gave the sign. That's where it gave the signal. Unlike some other indicators that when this side say buy, you will see the market is already here. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So it crossed from here, and then already the buy has triggered. This strategy will work for both small accounts and big accounts. Trust me. Just put your risk management in place. Don't go all in. Don't go all in. Risk what you can afford to lose, and always, risk what you can afford to lose. Very important. So let's look at another example which happened here. Okay, this is our first example. Then our second example is this. You can see this intersection cross below right here. Okay, I think the first crossing happened here. I think the first crossing happened here, the final crossing here, and then what happened? Massive buy. Boom. For me, I just prefer taking the buys, not the sell. I prefer taking the buys. You can see how that works, guys. So let's see it on 1 minute time frame, because the video 1 minute time frame also works well. Look at it. You see what happened on 15 minute time frame, what happened on 5 minute time frame. That was exactly what also happened on 1 minute time frame. Look at it. The intersection that first happened, that was delayed and market pushed down, then it came back down. At the being, guys, this is it. If this guy had succeeded in crossing above it, then you will close, but it did not. So you took a buy again from here, pop, and then price fired all the way to the upside. So this is another perfect example. Crossing below right here, and then what? Price move to the up. So that's how the strategy works, guys. Just take your time and test it. 1 minute again, cross below here, and then what? You buy. The sell also works, but for my record, I've seen that the buy favor me more, so I just decide to chill and be using sell. I just chill and be buying, but see the sell perfectly well, move to the downside. Also this sell perfectly sold. Then look at this buy, perfectly bought. You see, guys, I'm telling you the truth there. This strategy works. This is me telling you this for free. This strategy works. So you know the way normal trading is. Even whatever strategy you are using, even if it's price action or anyone, you will still sometimes hit stop loss. So for this, if in case you lose, don't give up. Try again and keep trading. Just probably, for me, I will advise you, if you have a $100 account, split it to 10 and risk 10% per trade. Before you will lose 3 times, you will definitely win one, which will recover everything. That's what I keep saying, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for learning this, and I believe you're gonna make money from it. So let's see you guys in the comment section. Let's hear what you have to say about the strategy. Go test it and come drop back your review. But however, say something in the comment section. And for you guys who don't know what we are trading, we're trading synthetic indices. It involves crash and boom, volatilities index, step index, jump index, and range breakers. So do well to click on the link at the description of this video to create an account. The link is also at the pin section of the comment section. Click it and create an account with Derry so you can start trading. Fast deposit and fast withdrawal methods available right there. Peace out, guys, and don't forget to join our Telegram group. Share this video to a friend who you know is struggling to trade, so that they can also start making money as well. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.